How to make new iCloud account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can make a new iCloud account, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to make a new iCloud account, all you have to do is simply, if you're using iPhone and you have not signed in your Apple ID, you can tap the create Apple ID option from here from the settings. But I don't want to do that. Instead, just for a general compatibility purpose, I'm going to simply open up my browser and then instead go to iCloud.com. When I go to iCloud.com, it will ask me to sign in with the Apple ID if I do have one. But assuming that we want to create a new Apple ID, we're just going to tap this option over here that says create Apple ID option. Once you tap on the create Apple ID button over here, we have to simply go ahead and then enter the name, which is the first name over here that we want to use for the Apple ID. And as a result, we also want to go ahead and then follow up with the last name. Once we've done that, we want to make sure to choose a definitive country over here. And then after that, we also have to go ahead and then select our date of birth. So first of all, let me just go ahead and then browse through the list of my countries that are available. And then I'm going to go ahead and then enter my date of birth, which is first of all date, and then follow up with the month, and then after that a year. Once you've done that, you can just see the email address that you want to use, so just go ahead and then actually enter the email address that you would like to use in this case. Now just remember, you can create a new iCloud email right away, or you can use an existing Gmail, Yahoo, or anything that can be used for your Apple ID. So let me go ahead and then do that as well. As I've done that, the next step will require me to simply choose a password for myself. So I'm going to go ahead and then do that as well. Now once you've entered your first name, the last name, the country and the region, the date of birth followed up with the email address and the password that you want to create, you also want to make sure to enter the phone number that you have access to. And then you just want to make sure to tap the continue option. The first step, of course, it will require you is to simply verify this captcha over here. This is just done in order to avoid bots and any other spammy crawling on the internet right away. Just tap the continue option over here, and then after you've done that, it is going to send a verification code to your mobile number as well as also your email address. Make sure to verify the code, and then after that your Apple ID will be successfully created. And as you've done that, you can come back to your settings and then log in using that new iCloud or your Apple ID. This way you can create a new iCloud account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.